So now let's see how we can work around with emitter options inside of Blender. So here you can see that I got a sphere, and to work around with emitter option, first of all, let us add an emitter. So I'm just going to go around over here onto the emitter option and click on the plus button just like this so that the emitter is there. So now in order to work around with its options, I'm going to go around into, let's say for example, velocity, and then I'm going to change around some settings. But before that, I'm going to set the start and end right here. So I'm going to pull this off to around 255 frames, which covers up the entire area right here. So let's just keep on playing this out and see how this actually looks as I change the emitter option. So on the emitter, you can see that I can change around the velocity right here. So it really throws out everything like here and there as I increase this out, as you can see. So you can see that as I increase the velocity, everything is everywhere. Or I can really decrease out the velocity so it looks like droplets of water actually coming down right here. You can play around with different type of settings like tangent, which actually distributes the particles, as you can see, and then change these out, as you can see as well. You can work around with the object alignment, which changes the emission in a certain angle right here as well, on the y-axis right here, on the z-axis just like this, and you can just rotate those things around over there. You can also randomize those things around. Over here on the bottom, you can see that there's physics, so you can change the weight of the mouse right here. This is what I like to work with. This is the damp right here, which allows you to actually damp out, slow down the things right here just like this, so that it just comes at an angle just a bit right over here. Then over here on the render, you can see that you can change out the render as well. Like you can change it into line right here, you can change it into a path right here, and so forth. So all of these things can be worked upon right here. But right now we're just going to work around with hollow. So you can change around the scale right here, increase and decrease the scale, change around the randomized size right here. And then over here on the bottom, you can see emitter is an option. And if I were to click on show emitter, you can see that nothing happens, but when you actually render this out, this is not visible anymore. So that is what this is for. And you can see that you can change around the settings to change the emission according to how you like it. So that is how you can work around with the emitter option inside of Blender. So hope you guys learn something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.